Howdy everyone, here's all the trains I caught on the battle stop. So let's get into them. So the first train in this video is CN M313. Coming into the Macmillan Yard in Fawn and ascending to a 17 yard in Winnipeg. It was set by 3250 with a way also sitting K5HL horn and the engine will give me a shaven haircut turn show. Trailing second is 3134. And at the end of the train, which is not a DPU at all, it's a GP9RM. And that being 3116. And that's going to get dropped at KPO because it's going to Sudbury for some repairs. Why do they have this at the end of the train? I have no idea. Anyway, 313 has 88 freight cars. And this was taken on Monday, April 13th at 10:26 p.m. Now the next three trains were taken on Thursday, April 16th. The first one that I caught is Siang Q107. Caught me at Brampton and Motomo and it's heading to Winnipeg. It was hit by XCVX 2793 with a way also setting K5HL horn. And trailing second is 3882. A 100-year anniversary GFO. And that has 91 rail cars. And it was going slower through here because it was meeting with CN X112 at Zephyr. Which I didn't bother on seeing because I didn't have time. And this went by at 10:58 a.m. The next train I caught is CN A451. Coming into the Macmillan Yard in Fawn and is heading to North Bay. It was hit by 3387 Railway, also sitting K3LA Horn. And it was originally BSF 4561. Trailing second is 8339, which was originally 5629. And trailing third is 2867. And that has 88 freight cars. And it was going into a Zephyr siding to meet with CN X106, which will be the next train. And this went by at 5:19 p.m. The next remaining train I caught is CN X106. An extra one in the motor train coming out of Riverbanks, BC, and is heading to Montreal. It was hit by 8909 Railway, also sending K5LA Horn. And trailing second is 3888, another 100-year anniversary GFO. And that has 94 rail cars and 284 axles. And this went by at 6:05 p.m. And it was going slow through here as well. That's because the signals at Zephyr wasn't working, so they got a pass stop. So they had to go slow through here.
C, total, axle, 284, speed, 5, 1.
Well, I decided to save this train at Hero Road because that train was going really slow, you can see here. I'm curious to see if a train was stopped before Hero Road, but sure enough, it went through. I guess it must be going really slow because of the signal issues at Zephyr and stuff like that. Because we did get a pass stop running at the north end of Zephyr, or maybe the south end I should say. Yeah, the south end of Zephyr, I meant to say the south end, LOL. And right now, X106 is passing. It picked up a little bit of speed, but it still is going slow. You can see here. It has 94 cars and over 270 axles. So yeah. While we're waiting for this train to go by, I really hope you enjoyed all the trains that we caught recently on the Battle Subdivision, I should say. If you enjoyed it, then please make sure you give it a really big thumbs up. And subscribe more videos if you have already, that will really help me a lot. And by the way, I'm at the Hero Road crossing in West Franklin. Mile 39 on the Battle Subdivision, you can see here. And once this train passes here, this will be the video. The ending should be coming up soon anyways. And there's the end. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next Railfanning video when I have a chance to do one. Alright, that'll be it. Bye now, and that will be it for me. Hope you enjoyed that.